Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is cucumber cultivation. Scientifically, it is Cucumis sativus and belongs to family Cucurbitaceae, and it is called in Hindi khira. Now we discuss introduction. Cucumber Cucumis sativus cultivated for fresh consumption or as pickling cucumber for preservation, marinated with vinegar, salt, dill, or other spices. It is an important salad crop cultivated both in north and south and lower as well as higher hills in India. Fruits varying in shape, size, and color contain 0.4% protein, 2.5% carbohydrates, 1.5 milligram iron, 2 milligram of vitamin C in 100 gram of fresh weight. Fruits are good for people suffering from constipation, jaundice, and indigestion. Commercial varieties. Most common varieties are Japanese long green, straight 8, Pusa Sanyog, Poinsett, Puna Khira, and Balam Khira, Himangi, and Sheetal varieties have been recommended for cultivation. Now we discuss cultivation aspect. Cultivation. Cucumber is a warm season crop grown mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. It is very susceptible to frost, excess humid conditions, promote foliar diseases, and pests like fruit fly. Cucumber prefers slightly low temperature, hence it is grown in subtropical regions. The optimum temperatures favoring anthesis and dehiscence is 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. Nevertheless, for optimum vegetative growth and yield, the temperature requirement is 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. A well-drained loamy soil is preferred by cucumber. It is necessary that soils should be fertile and well provided with organic matter. Cucumber prefers a pH of 5.5 to 6.8. It cannot tolerate high salt concentration. The temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius is optimum. Soil moisture is important for rapid growth. It should be at least 10 to 15 degrees above the permanent wilting point. Now we discuss climate and soil for cucumber. In southern and central India, it is sown in October-November. In plains and of northeastern India, sowing time is from November to March, when weather is comparatively dry. In Maharashtra, it should be sown in January to February, summer crop, and June to July, rainy season crop. Generally, soaking of seeds in water or 0.1% babistin for a few hours before sowing enhances their germination and protects it from soil-borne pathogens. In India, furrow bed and pit, deep and shallow mounds, sowing methods are favored. In furrow sowing, furrows are made at 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Usually, sowing is done on the top of the sides of furrows and vines are allowed to trail on the ground, especially in summer season. The hills should be made at a distance of 0.5 to 0.75 meter. About 5 to 6 seeds are sown in a pit, and finally 2 vines are retained. About 2.5 to 3.5 kg seed is enough for sowing 1 hectare crop. Soil preparation. The main field should be prepared thoroughly. Sowing of seeds. Plow the land around 4 times and for long channels at 1.5 meter apart. Best season, seed rate and seed treatment. Sow the cucumber seeds during June or January to April. About 3 kg of cucumber seeds are required for a hectare. Treat the cucumber seeds with Pseudomonas fluorescens 10 grams per kg or Trichoderma viridi 4 grams per kg or Carbendazim 2 grams per kg of seeds before sowing. You should follow only one treatment for protecting soil-borne diseases. Sowing method. The cucumber seed is sown by method of dibbling at a distance of 1.5 to 2.5 meter. Row to row into 60 centimeter to 90 centimeter plant spacing. 2 to 3 cucumber seeds are sown in each pit. Layout in ring and basin method is preferred. Manures and fertilizers. 40 to 50 cartload well decomposed farmyard manure should be added at the time of soil preparation. 25 kg P per hectare, 50 kg nitrogen should be given. Half nitrogen and full phosphorus should be given at the time of sowing cucumber seeds, and remaining half nitrogen should be given 30 days after sowing of seeds. Irrigation. Drip irrigation is most effective method for cucumber farming. Install drip system with main and sub-main pipes and place the inline lateral tubes at an interval of 1.5 meter. Place the dippers in lateral tubes at an interval of 60 cm and 50 cm spacing with 4 LPH and 3.5 LPH capacities respectively. For summer crop, irrigation should be given to maintain moisture, and for rainy season crop, irrigation is needed. Weed control. Shallow cultivation can be given during the early stages of cucumber plant growth to control the weeds. Herbicides may be used for controlling the weeds if it is needed. Pests and diseases. The main disease in cucumber farming is downy mildew, and it can be controlled by applying mancozeb or chlorothalonil 2 gram per liter twice at 12 days interval. Main pest is fruit fly, and it can be controlled by picking the affected cucumbers and destroy them. Neem oil at the rate of 3% as foliar application as needed, as need based. Mosaic transmitted by seeds. Young leaves develop small greenish yellow areas, occasionally circular. The stem end of young fruits become mottled with yellowish green spreading gradually over the entire fruit. Crop rotation should be followed. Cucurbitaceous crops should not be grown regularly in the same field. Spray dimethoate 0.5% or oxydimetone methyl 0.2% at weekly interval. Green mottle mosaic transmitted by seeds. The characteristic symptoms are slight clearing of veins and crumpling of the young leaves, followed by a light or dark green mottle, together with blistering and distortion of the leaves and stunting of the plant. Dry heat treatment of seeds for 3 days at 70 degrees Celsius eliminates local infection. Soil fumigation with methyl bromide helps reduce virus spread through the soil. Next is phyllodes transmitted by leaf hopper. Shortening of internodes and phyllodes of normal flowers are symptoms. The flower parts like calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium are transformed into green leaf-like structures. Infected plants do not attain full stage. The disease causes total yield loss. Application of carbofuran at the rate of 1.5 kg per hectare at the time of sowing, followed by 5 to 6 foliar sprays of either phosphomidone or oxydimetone methyl 0.05% at 10 days interval. Now we discuss harvesting. Harvesting can be done at the rate of 40 to 50 days after sowing. On an average, 8 to 10 harvest can be done. Timely picking of cucumber is more important for better quality of fruit. Yield 8 to 10 tons per hectare in 80 to 90 days span for salad, and average yield is about 6 to 15 quintals, 60 to 150 quintals per hectare. Thank you for patience hearing.